It's also known as the Lhasa approaches. The city of Lhasa is bustling with festive atmosphere, and here we can see that people are really busy preparing for the Tibetan New Year, and the streets are full of joyous and moved celebration. So have a look. Lhasa is one of the most important holidays for Tibetans, and the preparation of New Year goods is also one of the highlights of the Lhasa. Right now, I'm in the Barco shopping mall of Lhasa, which is one of the busiest shopping markets in the city. And here we can see that stores are swamped as people prepare to usher in the Tibetan Lhasa of the wood snake. So let's go. These are called butter sculptures, which are exquisite artworks made of butter, and they have various shapes like flowers, animals, and some region figures. And as decorations, they add a strong festive atmosphere. And standing here, I can still smell the taste of butter. So I think it's really amazing. Shamwi is also essential. This is a distinctive decoration in Tibetan architecture. Usually it is used to protect painting the window frames and the wooden components. It also embodies prayers for renewal and auspicious blessings. This beautifully decorated wooden box is called Chema box, and during the Tibetan New Year's, it will be filled with roasted barley and zamba, topped with butter sculpture and body ears. And it's a very important item for rituals and blessings during the Tibetan festivals. And also embodies the harvest and good fortune. In addition, people will prepare lots of delicious foods such as kapse, candies, fruits, and flyak meat to enjoy with family and friends during the Tibetan New Year. Walking on the streets of Lhasa, I can deeply feel that the whole city has already become the sea of joy, and the people are early looking forward to the arrival of Tibetan New Year. So, Lhasa